Hello, Reality Radar enthusiasts. Welcome back to another mouth-watering episode. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're stirring up a delightful topic. Can virtual cooking classes truly improve culinary skills? But before we dive into this flavorful exploration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delectable discussions. Ever wondered if virtual cooking classes can actually improve your culinary skills? Or perhaps you've pondered whether the traditional in-person cooking classes hold a certain charm and effectiveness that their digital counterparts just can't match. Today, we dive headfirst into this culinary conundrum to bring you a comprehensive comparison between these two modes of instruction. Virtual cooking classes have swept the globe, becoming increasingly popular, particularly in light of recent worldwide circumstances. They offer an incredible flexibility, allowing you to cook at any time that suits your schedule, with classes available 24/7. They also provide convenience, enabling you to learn new recipes without even needing to step out of your home. Moreover, access to a wide range of culinary experiences is at your fingertips. With virtual classes, you can learn to make sushi from a chef in Japan, a pizza from an Italian pizzaiolo, or a classic French pastry from a patisserie chef in Paris, all without leaving your kitchen. It's a culinary world tour from the comfort of your own home. On the other hand, consider the timeless, traditional in-person cooking classes. They offer a tangible, hands-on experience. You can actually feel the dough, smell the spices, and learn how to make the perfect cut with a knife. In these classes, you gain direct feedback. If your sauce is too thin, a chef will be right there to help you correct it. If your technique needs refining, you'll have immediate tips and corrections from a professional. And then there's the sense of community. In these classes, you cook together with others, sharing laughs, swapping tips, and perhaps even a bit of friendly competition. You're not just in a class, you're part of a food-loving community, sharing and growing together. There's a certain magic in the air when you're physically present in a cooking class, completely immersed in the aromatic symphony of ingredients and engulfed in the cacophony of sizzling pans and chopping knives. But is one form of instruction definitively superior to the other? When it comes to effectiveness, the answer may not be as straightforward as you might assume. Virtual cooking classes have shown remarkable effectiveness in improving culinary skills. They allow for repetition, pausing, and rewinding luxuries that are often not available in a traditional class. They provide access to a wide array of cuisines and techniques, often taught by experts from around the globe. Yet, traditional cooking classes have their unique strengths. The immediate feedback and correction, the ability to ask questions on the fly, and the tactile experience of handling ingredients and tools can be crucial for a more holistic learning experience. In conclusion, while virtual cooking classes have proven to be a powerful tool in honing culinary skills, traditional in-person cooking classes still hold their ground with their unique hands-on approach. If you've tried virtual cooking classes or have the thoughts on this culinary experiment, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more delectable content right here on Reality Radar. Until next time, this is Lovish signing off.